Greetings to all. Myself Vaishnavi, Assistant Professor, IT Department from SLS College of Technology. Now we are going to discuss about the BMC in the company of WorkOS. Here we discuss about the customer segments, value proportion, key points of the case study.
Primarily serves SaaS companies, software developers, startups scaling to enterprise customers, large enterprise needing secure authentication, B2B software providers. Example, if a startup develops a project management applications and wants to sell it to large corporation, these corporations may require single sign-on and security compliance. WorkOS helps provide these features quickly. Value proposition. The main value offered by WorkOS is enterprise-ready authentication solution, faster software development, reduce engineering efforts, enhance security and compliances, easy integration through APIs. Example, instead of spending months developing single sign-on, developers can integrate WorkOS within a few days. Key takeaway, WorkOS helps software companies focus on their core products while WorkOS handle enterprises, security and identity management.
Now Sharmi will explain about the channels and customer relationship of the BMC.
In the channel, WorkOS reaches customers through offline website, developer documentation, API documentation and technical blogs, and developer communities and technical conference and partner networks. For example, developer often discover WorkOS while searching for authentication solution online. In the customer relationship, WorkOS maintain a strong customer relationship through self-service onboarding, dedicated customer support, technical assistant and enterprises content management and developer community engagement. For example, when a company integrate WorkOS API, technical support teams helps to solve implementation issues. Benefits of strong relationship, increased customer trust, high retention rate, long-term contracts, improved customer satisfaction. Summarize, WorkOS combines excellent documentations with the professional support, making enterprises integrations easier.
Now Sharmi will explain about the revenue streams and key resources of the BMC.
So now I'm going to explain about the revenue streams and key resources. So WorkOS earns revenue through subscription plans, enterprise learning, usage-based pricing, premium support services. For example, as a SaaS company grows and more users authenticate through WorkOS, so the company may move to higher pricing plans. So next, key resources. The important resources of WorkOS include authentication platform, API infrastructure, cloud infrastructure, security expertise and brand reputation. The engineering team continuously updates API and security infrastructure so that it can meet the enterprise requirements.
Now Nitish will explain about the key activities and key partners of the BMC.
Okay, let me explain about the key activities and the key partners. So the major activities performed by the WorkOS are developing APIs and maintaining the security systems, product innovations, customer support, compliance management and infrastructure monitoring. And one more thing is that the key partners. The key partners that such as cloud service providers, identify the providers, technology integrations partners and technology enterprise software vendors and security compliance organizations. For example, the Microsoft Active Directory, Google Workspace, Okta and various cloud platforms. The cost structures are going on, say about employee salaries, cloud infrastructure cost and research and development, security and compliance cost and marketing sales expenses. So the conclusion is that we are going to conclude that WorkOS is a developer-focused company that simplifies the enterprises and authentication and identifying the management. Its business model and it built around providing the secure API, maintaining the strong customer relationships, generating subscriptions, revenue and protecting with the major technologies providers. By reducing the development and complexities and improving the security, the WorkOS helps software companies, sales efficiency and secure and serves the enterprise customers successfully.